Hey, a number of people have been asking about the projects that we're currently working on over the last few months. Many of the videos we've been doing have been from the office, the studio, the training suite. And we thought, oh, the weather's getting nice as well now. Let's get back out and start showing you some of the projects we've been working on. Over last year, 2021, we probably did fewer projects than 2020. I think that's just because with everything that was going on, we just slowed down a little bit. And property's super expensive right now. So we're very selective about the new projects we're taking on. But also what we've done is taken the opportunity to work on our back of the burner projects such as our homes. So Aidas has been working on renovating the house that will be his new family home, and we're just heading over there to have a look at that now and the progress he's made on that. He should hopefully be moving in a couple of months. They're all going well, and then I'll take you very soon to our new project that we've been working on, i.e. our new family home, and we'll show you that as well in very soon. Hi, Des. How are you? Good to see you. I guess the last time we were here filming, the place was a bit of a building site, and it's still a building site. It's still a building site. So, shall we go in and get a bit of an update in terms of where we've got to, so we can show the viewers where we are?
Yeah, come on through.
Cool. So the last time we were here filming, it was still bare brick at that stage. It kind of none of the boarding and the first fix had been done at that time.
Yeah, exactly. So at this stage as we are now, everything has been first fixed for both plumbing, electricity. All the structural changes have been made, and everything's been boarded throughout. We've still got a bit left. The guys are doing the utility, just a few bits. Most of the first floor is actually all skim now, and the guys are coming back on the ground floor to do skimming in the next couple of days.
So skimming's been done upstairs, and the downstairs has been starting the next couple of days. So I guess over the next week or so, that bit will all be done. Then it's a case of starting to put everything back together. The fixtures and fittings will start going in.
Yeah, so the team's going to start tiling. You know, we're going to be putting all the woodworks, all the doors, architraves, skirtings, getting it ready for decorating stages then. And then we're getting to the finish line slowly.
So we've got the utility and the office over on that side, and the kitchen's going to be here, the main space.
Yeah, kitchen lounge on this side. Well, yeah, come on through and I'll show you around what we've done.
I love this open plan that we've got with lots of windows and the skylights. It's just so much natural light flooding in. It just feels so airy.
Yeah, so that's one of the things we wanted to kind of achieve, is just kind of open up the space. And the way we're kind of laying it out is we're going to have the seating area over there behind us where we were just a minute ago. The TV, we've got a very nice fire that's going in as well.
That'll be on that
side as well. And then behind me, we've got the utility room, which is going to have a ground floor toilet, shower as well, and the washing machine, dryer, etc. We've got the office over here, room that I'm waiting for the most.
The man cave,
Yeah. Then we've got, we're going to have the dining table over here pretty much kind of centered off with a bifold. So when we have like the family meals, you're going to have that opened up as well. And then the kitchen is going to be followed here on an L shape with an island over here as well. Yeah. So once it all comes together, it should be quite nice.
I mean, there's been a lot of thought on it. I know you've spent a huge amount of time planning out the layout. And like many with our projects as well, the time and attention spent earlier on that you're putting in planning out a project means that actually when you come to use it and enjoy it, everything just feels a lot better. So what's with all these blue plaster boards and people are being curious about?
Well, that's sound block plaster boards.
Yeah.
So
when you have the parties and the DJs
and the parties, and when you want the little one to sleep,
yes.
That's what you put on the ceiling. And we've actually also got Rockwool slab insulation across all the ceilings, all the partition walls. So effectively it's just to deafen the sound off. And because we still are partying with, it's a semi-house,
semi-detached, so a neighborhood side. Yeah.
One of the reasons we've got the blue boards, which is the sound block boards on that side, to again get a bit more privacy. And just because, it just insulate the house, it helps with it. And they're much stronger as well, and they're denser than the standard plaster boards. They're a bit more expensive, but it's well worth the investment if you want that you know,
Better soundproofing.
better soundproofing, exactly. Yeah.
Excellent.
So yeah, coming together. Shall we have a look upstairs?
Yeah, yeah, let's do that.
Let's do that.
Let's head on upstairs.
This is the master bedroom. It's changed quite a bit in a way that obviously it was a little bit large originally,
Yeah.
but we pinched space from this room a little bit and from the room behind to close the ensuite in.
Yeah.
And a nice feature we're doing with this bedroom pillar is actually we push this wall out a little bit, put additional sound insulation. You see, I quite like my sound insulation in this house. And this is going to have an LED strip over here illuminating the top part.
Like a uplight.
We haven't quite finalized which wood finish we're choosing for this wall, but effectively we're going to have this wood clad effect over here.
Let us know which one you prefer out of the
four.
3 shades.
Yeah,
4? Is that
four
4
shades. Yeah, it's actually 4 shades.
Okay.
These are quite close.
Yeah.
I suppose it'll depend what the wife chooses
Yes.
ultimately, but
ultimately Milda make the decisions.
Yeah, but apart from that, yeah, it's, as you can see, it's all kind of skimmed ready for decorating. All we're waiting for is for the doors and the skirting architraves to be fitted, and then the guys are starting the second fix on electrics. Well, fairly soon now.
Because here you pretty much you're skimmed and good to go upstairs. I mean, these tiles are huge.
Huge. Well, it's 4 tiles for 1 wall. They're
means you get it done faster.
60 centimeters by 120. Nice veiny kind of dark rock patterns. We're going to have all 3 bathrooms actually in them, floors and walls. And we want to create a bit of like a spa effect.
Yeah.
So it'll be kind of warm light. Again, plenty of LEDs, plenty of spotlights. You can control different ways. But it should turn out really, really nice. I think we've got like black colors and these should work really well.
So there's 3 bathrooms in total. Let's have a look at one the bathroom, then talk about the lighting, how you're setting up some of the lighting.
Should we do that? There. So this particular bathroom actually was non-existent space before, because we actually had the roof going up like this before. So once we've done the second story extension, we've created all this space that was unused before. With this particular bathroom, the new things we're doing is actually the embedded recessed LED channel in the ceiling, which is going to illuminate the whole bathroom, and it'll be a nice hidden flush light effectively within the ceiling. So this is something we haven't done before, and I'm really looking forward to see how that turns out. So it should be really nice once it's finished. And in here, just to get a bit of an idea, we have the wall-hung toilet here. We have the vanity unit with the mirror above, and we have a nice bath going here with a recessed shelf with LED lighting as well on it. Yeah, so yeah, it's getting there slowly.
There's about 90,000 so far has been spent on the property. There's stuff you paid for that hasn't quite been fitted as well. And there's roughly how much more to go, do you think, cost-wise, in terms of the actual property?
So, I mean, we still got decorating to do, and obviously the front drive, the back garden. So there's, you know, good 10-15,000 at least extra.
So we'll do another video on the final figures. But if you're curious about the numbers and kind of how much it purchased for, the overall kind of estimated spend, what's been done and what happened on the project previously, then make sure you watch this video up here. We'll just kind of link this video here for you. That's a previous video on this project. But before you do that, make sure you click on my face down here to subscribe to the channel, and we look forward to seeing you on this video up here.
See you soon.